Introducing the all-new Winmate Rugged Tablet PC D140, a multifunctional, cost-efficient solution designed for diverse industrial applications. The all-new D140 offers a 14-inch full high-definition display, offering wide viewing angles and clarity even under direct sunlight. Powered by the Intel Core processor, this tablet ensures robust performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. The PCAP touch interface supports both finger and stylus input, providing flexibility for a range of user preferences and applications. The D140 is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding work environments, with IP65 and military standard 810G certifications, making it dust, water, and shock resistant. One of the key features of the D140 is its advanced cooling system. This efficient heat management technology ensures the device maintains consistent operation under heavy usage, preventing slowdowns due to overheating. As a result, the D140 is built to last longer, protecting its internal components from heat damage and offering extended device lifespan. This reliability is critical, especially in field environments where performance consistency is a must. The D140 is designed to keep you connected, offering 4 Type-A USB ports and 2 Type-C ports, ensuring compatibility with a variety of peripherals. It also supports Wi-Fi for faster, more reliable internet access, Bluetooth for device pairing, and an optional 4G Lite module for mobile connectivity. The tablet's waterproof I/O covers protect all ports from water and dust, so you can rely on seamless operation even in the harshest environments. Rugged and ready for tough conditions, the ABS composite housing with elastomeric rubber protection ensures the D140 can withstand drops, impacts, and rough handling. Additionally, the 500 nit brightness of the display ensures it remains readable in direct sunlight, a crucial feature for outdoor work environments. Whether your workforce is wearing gloves or working in wet conditions, the tablet ensures that the user experience is smooth and uninterrupted. The customizable function keys allow for quick access to essential tools, further enhancing workflow efficiency. In the automotive workshop, the D140 proves invaluable. Its rugged design allows it to endure grease, dust, and physical impacts, while its large, clear display makes it easy to read complex diagnostic data. With multiple ports for connecting diagnostic tools and an adjustable kickstand for secure placement, the D140 ensures professionals can easily access critical information on the go. For enterprises requiring mobility and versatility, the D140 is an ideal solution. Perfect for moving between locations, it features a portable design with a convenient handle for easy carrying throughout long shifts. Operating on Windows 11 IoT, it integrates seamlessly with business systems. The tablet also serves as an external display device for flexible use in various applications, and with TPM 2.0, sensitive business data is protected by enhanced security features, ensuring secure access in the field. Whether used in construction, utilities, or other field-based work, the D140 excels in challenging conditions. With IP65 weather resistance, the device can handle rain, dust, and dirt with ease. A long-lasting battery supports all-day operation, while the bright display ensures outdoor visibility, even under direct sunlight. The stylus input further enables precise documentation, making it an essential tool for field service professionals. In logistics and warehousing, the D140 is a game-changer for inventory management and real-time product localization. Its rugged design ensures it can survive drops and impacts typical in warehouse settings. Reliable Wi-Fi connectivity ensures uninterrupted service across large facilities, while customizable function keys streamline workflows, allowing for quick access to critical tools, boosting overall efficiency. The Winmate Rugged Tablet PC D140 is an exceptional solution for a variety of industries, offering the perfect balance of durability, performance, and versatility. Whether it's for automotive diagnostics, field service, enterprise mobility, or logistics, this tablet is built to withstand years of demanding use. With budget-friendly pricing, long-term reliability, and enterprise-grade security, the D140 is a smart investment for businesses that require a rugged, high-performance device. Backed by Winmate's expert support, the D140 empowers your team to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently, no matter the environment. For more information or to learn how the D140 can enhance your operations, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you find the right solution for your needs.